Hi everyone, if you are like me, you like to change your desktop background picture more often and you are looking for a way that does it automatically for you, just like the login screen for Windows 10 and 11, it seems like it gets a fresh new image every day from the Bing website. Well, luckily you could do it in Windows 10 and 11 using a built-in app called Bing Wallpaper. To get started, just right click anywhere on your desktop and from the menu just select personalize. Now scroll down and click on background. Scroll all the way down until you see this link that says getting new wallpaper every day from Microsoft. Click on it. You should see Microsoft main website and this is the app we're going to install. Now here is a brief description about the app. It's called Bing Wallpaper. It includes a beautiful collection of images from around the world that have been featured on the Bing homepage. To install it, just click on the install now. It should download an exe file that you will have to open and click on to start installation. Now once you see the installation window, just proceed with installation by clicking on install now. In my case, I'm going to uncheck both of these checkboxes since I do not want to change my home page nor my default search provider, and just click on install now. Give it a few seconds to complete. Okay, now once it's done, just click on finish. You should see an icon that looks like this under your taskbar. Right click on it, and for this app you could go back 6 previous images. So let's go back and look at all the previous images. And once you click on previous, it will automatically set it as your background image. Now let's look at the settings. Click on the settings icon that looks like a gear. And if you select this option, it will basically refreshes your wallpaper on a daily basis. Click on it again to uncheck this selection. Now this app is a great app for changing your background image. However, if you prefer more options and settings, there is another app I would like to show you that is from Microsoft Store as well. So let's launch our browser and search for dynamic theme. Now this is the app. You could get it from the Microsoft stores. So once you click on get in store app, it should launches your Microsoft Store. Click on get app in your case. If you don't have it, in my case I already have it installed, so I'm just going to click open to launch the program. Once you see this window, we'll go over some of the settings. Now this app has more settings and configuration compared to the Bing Wallpaper. Under the background menu, and if you look at the customized background, so you could choose your images source. So you have your system settings, so that's the default wallpaper if you do not want to change the background images. And you could choose a photo from your computer as well. So if you select on photos and under choose, you select that and just select an image from your files. So in my case, I'm just going to select this one, and that basically sets the background image to the image I chose. Let's go back. Now there are other sources such as Bing. That's the main Bing website. So if we select this, it will select an image from the Bing website, and you could see a description of the image, where the image is, and you could also click on show history, and that will expand the picture. Now click on the arrow to go back, and also we could select another source, which is the Windows Spotlight, and that have a different set of images as well. To change the images automatically, we could select automatic, and it will change the background image automatically if we prefer selecting a specific time to change the image. So in my case, I chose 7 a.m. That's the time I wake up and use my computer, and I would like to see a new image at the start of the day. Now you could leave this as on to remember your preferences. And let's look at the lock screen. So that's the screen you see where you have to enter your password or PIN, and you would apply the same settings as the background. So you could choose your source. I'm gonna leave it as the Windows Spotlight as well. And now for these two menus, the daily Bing picture, so that's the source, the Bing wallpaper source. There are some settings. So like if you would like to get a notification whenever there is a new image available, if you set your settings as not automatic and you would like to just get notified and you change it yourself, you could turn this on and you will get the notification. Timing of alert, so you could select a specific time to get alerted. Now for the images you get from Bing, you have the option to save them to a specific folder. So if you turn this on and just choose a specific folder on your machine, all those images will be saved there, just in case if you would like to go back and select one of them. And over here you could select the picture quality, so mine is selected as the best resolution. Now you could select it based on your monitor size. Under source, that's the region you are at. So in my case, I'm at the United States. So if I change this to a different region, I will get a different set of images. And the same thing for the daily Windows Spotlight pictures. So you would have the same settings as the Bing wallpaper. Those are all the settings I wanted to show you for this app. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.